Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back with me WDO. Now I'm gonna make a video about this one. This is the Samsung Galaxy A15 4G. So now we're gonna unboxing the phone and then we're gonna see a few capability of this phone, yeah, such as the camera and etc. So let's jump to the video. Okay, now I already got my knife here. Yeah, be careful for using knife. Yeah, this is not for something else, just for unboxing the phone. As you can see, we got spirit a power adapter here. It's already on the package of the Samsung. So let's put it aside. Yeah, now we just focus on the phone. Yeah, we're gonna open it up. Yeah, okay, and then maybe we should push it or something like that. Yeah, okay, this is a here the label. Yeah, the seal. Yeah, wow, seal is do not accept if seal is broken, so it's not broken. Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, so I have to use my nail. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, already done. Now on the back side there's also a seal here. I'm gonna open it up. Sorry, I am a little bit okay. Okay, it's very great seals. Yeah, by the way. Yeah, Samsung doing great job for the safetyness. Yeah, I'm just open it up, something like that. Yeah, okay, go, good to go. We are good to go. Okay, just put it right over there. Okay, now just open it up, something like that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll see together about the phone now. Maybe I'm gonna what we got here. We got some, I think it's the okay, this is the USB cable. Yeah, then it's power adapter, so very good. 15 watt. Yeah, USB type C. And this is the phone. Okay, let's do that. We just gonna open it up, something like this. Okay, wow, very satisfying sound. Okay, wow, very good looking phone. Yeah, it plastic. Yeah, on the back, and this is the glass. Yeah, now we boot up for the first time. Okay, ready? Yeah, just wait. Yeah, it's take a quite some times to boot up. Yeah, okay, it's already. Yeah, this is my language, Bahasa Indonesia, so I will change it to keep it on Bahasa. Okay, yeah, okay, let's press start. It asks to insert my SIM, but I won't insert it, so I just use Wi-Fi. Yeah, okay, let's check the box and then agree. Okay, okay, perangkat lain I will lewati. And then we gonna, yeah, I'm gonna put my Wi-Fi password. Yeah, just a moment. Okay, already. Okay, already connected. Now next, preparing the phone. Yeah, just wait a moment. Yeah, while waiting that, we just gonna see, yeah, this is the my specification. The RAM is 6 GB and ROM is 128 GB and made in Indonesia. Okay. Now it's already there. So next. Now izinkan. Okay, no. We just don't copy the data, just something like that. Just wait for the phone to boot up. And then, yeah, okay, just skip. Okay, I agree. And then skip. Okay, almost there. Yeah, we're gonna see the look of the phone. Yeah, just a moment. So if you plan to buy this phone, yeah, the Samsung Galaxy A15 4G, so what you got is basically a phone, a box, and the adapter. Yeah, for these days the adapter is really convenient, but some phone you buy you don't got the adapter. Yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna install. Yeah, maybe just next. I'm not gonna log in the Samsung. Yeah, next. Okay, I'm ready. So this is the interface of the Samsung A14. No, I'm not gonna install the bootloader. I think it's bootloader. Yeah. Okay, done. Yeah, this is the interface. Yeah, home interface of the Samsung A14 5G. Yeah, as you can see, is really simple, but I think it's really smooth. Let's jump to the we see, yeah, the okay, the wow. I think it's already 60 hertz. Yeah, or 120 hertz. Yeah, the capability of the screen, yeah, of this phone, yeah, is really good for you if you want to buy the phone. Yeah, is really good looking phone, I think. Yeah, compared to this one, I got my phone here. This is the S20 Ultra. It's basically look like the same. Okay, I mean the size. Yeah, the size is not so different. Yeah, from my S20. Yeah, really look the same, but as you can see the screen, maybe I change the okay, is oh, as you can see, yeah, very crisp, yeah, screen. Yeah, okay, it can match up with my S20 Ultra. Yeah, wow, as you can see. Yeah, so if you plan to buy this phone, now I'm gonna compare the picture. Yeah, I'm not gonna compare the gaming capability, but I'm just gonna compare the picture taking. So wait a moment. Yeah, now I already take picture, yeah, with it. As you can see, this is the same. Yeah, the same picture. Now let's see this one, the color of the roots, yeah, of this coconut. Yeah, this one. Yeah, okay, as you can see, it can match up my S20 Ultra. Even it looks better. Yeah, I use the 108 megapixel camera on this, and I use the 50 megapixel camera on this A14 5G. As you can see, it can match up the S20 Ultra, but and even better. So if you plan to buy this phone and you want to use it as your daily driver for camera purpose, I think is very good phone. So I recommend you to buy the Galaxy A14 5G. Yeah, this is only $150. Yeah, so That's all about my video, and if you're curious about something else from this phone, you can comment down below, and if you have experience about the phone and you want to share it, you can also comment down below. Please like and subscribe, it helped me a lot to make a better video for the next. Thank you, and ciao ciao. Happy enjoy. Okay.